Hey, classic car fans. Today we're checking out 10 budget-friendly project cars under $3,000. Some of these may be diamonds in the rough, while others are solid for parts or pure nostalgia. Let's dive in and see what each one's got to offer. 1. 1979 Chevrolet Nova, $2,750, McCalla, Alabama. This 79 Nova is ready for a small block Chevy and Power Glide transmission setup. It's got a custom purple paint job and is set up with slicks, Moser axles, and a fiberglass hood. It's a roller only, so if you're into drag builds, this one could be a great fit. Two, 1969 Chevrolet Impala, $2,350. Here's a 69 Impala that's been off the road for a bit. The inline-six engine hasn't started in a year, and the shifter linkage is broken. Typical rust issues are present, along with a rough interior. It's a project, but those new wheels and Bilstein shocks are a bonus. Start 3. 1974 Ford Grand Torino Elite, $2,500, Atlanta, Georgia. With a 351 motor, this Torino runs and drives. It's got about 50,000 miles, and while the body is solid, it's been used and could use some love. It's a classic cruiser with potential, especially if you're looking for a solid Ford platform. Hash 4, 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger, $2,500, Burleson, Texas. Originally a 6-cylinder car, this Dart now has a V8 frame, new disc brakes, and a rebuilt front end. It's got some Mopar flair with the 340 hood scoops and scooped hood. There's no title, so it's bill of sale only, but for a Dodge lover, this could be a fun project. 5. 1975 Jeep CJ5, 2300, Texas. This 75 Jeep CJ5 with a V8 and manual transmission was running last year. It's a 4x4 project, and with a bit of work, it could be back on the trail. It comes with a clean title, making it more of a serious option if you want a classic off-roader. Nar 6, 1970 Ford F100, 2800, Moulton, Alabama. Here's a 1970 Ford F100 with a 302 automatic. It runs and drives, which is a major plus, and it's priced for a quick sale at $2,800. It's a basic truck with potential if you're looking for a simple classic Ford. Seven, 1976 Mercury Cougar XR7, $2,600, Trinity, Alabama. This Cougar XR7's motor is locked up, possibly from sitting, but the interior is in near perfect condition. It's got a 400 engine, and if you can sort out the engine issues, you'll have a real beauty on your hands. Eight, 1963 Buick Skylark Coupe, 2500, Greenville, Tennessee. The 63 Skylark needs floor and trunk pan work, but it's air-fined with a pretty solid body. This could make a fantastic gasser project or a cool street car for someone willing to put in the work. 9, 1977 Fiat 124 Spider, 2000, Tennessee. This little Fiat's been sitting, and it's missing the key, but the seller has a clean title and is even willing to deliver for an extra fee. It's a quirky classic with potential for a fun project if you're up for it. Ten, 1963 Plymouth Valiant V200, $2,500, Washington Courthouse, Ohio. This Plymouth Valiant sports a slant 6 engine and push-button automatic. It runs with new tires and a fuel pump, though it needs some exterior work. If you're into unique vintage cars, this one could be a fun pick. That's a wrap on today's list. From the sporty Nova to the quirky Fiat, these projects have potential for the right buyers. Let us know in the comments which one you'd tackle first, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more classic car finds.